Today we're diving into the world of luxury automobiles. And specifically, we're putting the spotlight on one of the most iconic names in the industry, the 2025 BMW Z4 Coupe. Welcome to our exclusive cover of the all-new 2025 BMW Z4, a name synonymous with luxury and innovation. Since its debut in 2002, the Z4 has captured hearts with its sleek design and powerful performance. Fast forward to 2025, and the Z4 has transformed into a spacious haven for four, packed with features that solidify its status as a top-tier automobile. But BMW didn't stop there. They've redefined the driving experience with the Z4 M41 Handschalter. It's not just a car, it's a statement. With a new transmission option, a retuned chassis, and staggered wheel sizes, the Handschalter is a first in many respects, offering an unparalleled driving experience. The heart of this beast? A 382 horsepower, 3-liter straight-six engine with a twin turbo that roars to life with 369 lb-ft of torque. It's not just about power, it's about the connection between you, the car, and the road. And it's not just the mechanics that will catch your eye. The Z4 m40i boasts 19-inch front and 20-inch rear alloy wheels, fresh paint choices, and interior design options that scream custom-made. This is the first time BMW has offered staggered sizing on the Z4, a feature once reserved for their elite performance models. Now let's talk design. The 2025 BMW Z4 Coupe is a head-turner from every angle. Its front is unmistakably BMW, with narrow lights and a minimalist grille that commands attention. The side profile is a futuristic masterpiece with a sloping roof and two doors that redefine what a sports car should be. And the rear, it's sporty, with contemporary lights, a spoiler, and a prominent exhaust that says, "I'm not just any car, I'm the future." Remember, the images we're showing are a blend of our imagination and AI's creativity. They may not be the final product, but they're a stunning glimpse into what could be. As for the price tag, the 2025 BMW Z4 is expected to start at around $55,000, with the potential to reach up to $71,500, depending on your chosen trim and options. The Z4 Coupe's pricing remains a mystery, but one thing's for sure, it will be worth the wait. So, what do you think of the 2025 BMW Z4? Is it the convertible of your dreams? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more.